Yes, you in the back.
Hi, I'm here from CNN. My name is Marvin Johnson.
CNN is fake news. Marvin Johnson. You appear to be black.
I am.
Okay.
Is that a problem? I have a question for you, Mr. President. Mr. President, is it? Are you going to fire Rosenstein until stop the Mueller investigation?
I'm not speaking. Please sit down. No. Quiet. Be quiet.
Sir, I am a journalist. I represent the American people.
As my Puerto Rican say, "Can you tell la boca?"
Sir,
quiet, please, quiet.
You're going to say that?
As a matter of fact, sit down. You know what? Fuck this. I'm turning it into a freestyle session. If you have a problem with that, you can suck my dick from the back. It's Trumpito. Yo, DJ Pensito, drop that beat on him. Yo, check it. They've been saying I've been bad. I need from the top. Yo, they've been saying I'm in bed in Russia for ages. Only Russians I ever dealt with was off back pages. Oh, shit. Yo, Pence, chill. They're not ready. Yo, Flex, what up? Drop a bomb. Do the fucking drop.
Oh,
that niggas don't know nothing about that.
It's episode 134.
That's right.
134 episodes of this shit.
You know what I mean?
How's the government let that shit happen?
I don't know. But we get closer to 139. It was just the danger zone.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to Big L.
Big L, rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Big L. 139 the danger zone by Lennox. That's actually the gentrified zone now. Actually, 139, no. 139 is not too.
It's still a little, you know what I'm saying? It's still, Poppy's still out there.
Going out there. There's some nice brownstones out there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what it is. It's the Bodega Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Live from the Jam Room at Milk Studios. Shout out to the visual component of the art. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone. You know what I'm saying?
If we actually want to jam, we could jam.
Jam!
You know what I'm saying? There's a drum set, there's mad guitars and shit. Niggas got a ukulele, B.
I was thinking we should call the visual art Milk TV Jam.
Oh, Milk TV Jam.
Milk TV Jams, for sure. MTV Jams.
MTV Jams, yeah.
No one's ever came up with that name before.
Yeah, that's matter is, yeah.
Boom. See, niggas be thinking. Damn, this nigga got sweaty palms.
Yeah, nah, it's my water bottle. It's like,
oh, God.
It was cold and I took out the freezer.
That was wild, gross and mad hot at the same time.
Yeah.
I was like, you know.
It's like, yeah, I'm excited.
I clicked outside my normal categories. That's my life advice to you. I'm going to say that at graduation. I'll be like, you kids, you have the future ahead of you.
Click outside.
Click outside your normal porn categories.
You know what I'm saying?
Click on the one that says BDSM.
Do you want every acronym CFNM? You know what I'm saying?
Yo, if
you don't even know what that means, but it's lit.
Yo, you don't know what it means, but click mature. Find out what it means. Go outside your porn boundaries.
Imagine you click mature and it's just like your girlfriend like reading.
No, it's just like niggas doing taxes. People like trying to remortgage their house and shit. Niggas reading the estimate on life insurance, actuaries. They're like, hot, sweaty fucking home inspector finds house with cracked foundation.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit.
Ooh, flood insurance goes up $250 monthly. Yeah.
Guess what? This basement has radon.
Oh my God.
Just shows him with the tape measure in slow motion. Nigga putting up the HEPA fan. The fucking shit is blowing the wife, and she's like, her hair's blowing. Like, oh. Yeah.
They're sweaty from carrying the box. He's like, oh. Slow motion. Like, oh.
It's like, do it, daddy. And show him like swiping the card in slow motion at Home Depot. Like, yeah.
So hot.
Nasty.
You nasty.
Give me a 5-star rating.
Yeah.
On Angie's List.
Yo, man.
Picks up Mexican from Home Depot parking lot.
Oh,
does
God.
great job.
Oh, amazing. Oh, he has a hammer loop. It's lit. Wow. And the jeans. Oh, it's over. You got the carpenter jeans. You're getting the job.
Of course. It just depends who gets to the car first.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes they look like if I go to Home Depot for like a light or some shit, they look at me. They're like, oh, he got no like job for me. They're like, he got on Jordans. He's not hiring niggas.
They wait for the motherfucker to come out with like 20 pallets of like lumber.
If I come through in Dickies or Dirty Timbs, then they're like, yo, you need a roof fix?
I see you have shingles there, my friend.
Exactly.
What's good?
But then they see I'm Jamaican, so they're like, oh, he's gonna do it himself.
He's gonna do it himself, motherfucker.
I'm like, I condone roof during a nor'easter. Yes.
Yeah, me and my pops actually replaced our screens during Sandy. Like,
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Like Dolo, like outside.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I'm like, why are we doing this outside?
My pops is coming up here this weekend, and he already told me, he was like, you gotta help me jumpstart the car. And I was like, I don't have a car to jumpstart your car with. And he was like, can't you get an Uber to do it? I was like, to be fair. See, my father's good for that, finding loopholes no one's thought about. Because nowhere in the loophole term of service does it say you can't call a loophole to jumpstart your car.
Can you use Uber, to jumpstart? Can Uber just replace AAA?
I mean, it's up to the driver.
You know what I'm saying?
You just gotta pass him a little extra money and shit.
Yo, he jumpstarted my car.
I feel like,
yo, I'm out of washer fluid. Like, yo.
Imagine Uber pull up, you got the fucking jumper cables, you touch them together, the spark. I'm like, He's like, I don't see you. Look for the sparks. Look for the arcing.
Red goes on red, black goes on black. Come on, you done this before?
You gotta have the gloves on. I'm terrified of jumpstarting cars.
You said for real?
Because that shit is, you know what? It's 50-50.
Yeah,
50-50, you get it right or you kill yourself.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah. And it depends on the age of the car too, because some of them shit to be mad rusty and you gotta like maneuver the thing. And
my brother-in-law has a Lexus. It's
very risky.
And Lexus has like a additional locks underneath the hood. Stop. So you gotta, and you can't just like, it's ridiculous. So I'm like, nah. But he always wants to be the good Samaritan. So we were in the Target parking lot one time, and somebody's car was like dead. It was like, yo, can we get the boot? He was like, yeah, I got you.
I got you.
And like he pulled his car in, he popped the hood, then he took off one screw, then he took off the other screw. I was like, can I just give y'all money to just get a tow truck? Like, this could take it forever. He was just trying to get like toothpaste.
Fam, I got toothpaste and fucking Band-Aids and
I'm gonna go inside. If you want to be out here, that's on you, man.
Fuck it. I'm gonna go check out this almond butter. Let me know when you done. Send me a text. Like, what the
get
fuck,
out here with
bro?
that good Samaritan shit. That's how niggas get clapped.
That's how you still gotta drive the hoopty, you know what I'm saying? Because them shits is wild accessible. There's no technology involved. It's just like a big ass battery with two nodes sticking out. Like, yo,
I want to get a Tesla.
Clamp here.
So when niggas is like, yo, could you jump in my car? I pop the hood and it's just Elon Musk comes out like,
I would have blown
fuck you.
I don't know.
So let you go and get out of here.
Yeah, I'm piping Grimes. You tight.
To the next supercharger. Let's go. Later, pedophiles. I built a subway. What have you done?
What have you done?
What have you done? I'm Elon Musk.
I drove a car around the fucking space, out of space, motherfucker.
Elon Musk out. He just throws a Tesla on the floor.
You're like, fuck out of here. Nigga flies over the gold wings like,
oh, shit.
Yo.
What a rich bastard. What else happened this week that's...
Yo.
Oh, yo, there's been a lot of shootings.
Yo, I mean, yeah.
You know what? Is it to the point?
It's getting to the point, yeah. It's getting to the point. It's like,
getting to the point. It's like, you know what's sad? This is very American.
Yeah.
Like, this is a hot take, and I'm not mocking him to death. But America gets caught up on shit to the point that it builds to a frenzy. You don't care about it.
Yeah.
Mass shootings right now is the same thing that happened to Deal or No Deal.
Facts.
Like, stay focused here.
Okay, let's
Remember, at the beginning, it was like Deal or No Deal came on like once every week.
Yeah.
And
now shit is on every
now niggas
hour.
paying it mad attention to shit. And NBC was like, you know what? Let's put it on twice a week. And people was like, yo, you talking about Neil?
Yeah.
And then they put it on every night.
Yeah.
And people became numb to it.
That's it.
And it was this decline.
Yeah.
And we are numb to shooting. But after Sandy Hook.
Fam, after Sandy, and then after the other people doing this is a conspiracy theory. These are crisis actors. And all that whole conversation starting. It's just like, bro, this shit has infinite legs. I'm like, yo, I'm tired of this shit, bro. Like, it's like McDonald's. Now.
It's kind of like, what can you do?
Fam, like what?
You can protest some more, but that's not really. The guns is out there.
The guns is out there, fam. I don't know.
Like, even if they stop making guns right now, and they don't make any more guns for the next 20 years,
and they did the see Dolores Tucker shit and put mad guns in the street, run them over with a steamroller.
Still more than enough.
Still mad guns out there, man.
And the people that will use guns are not giving their guns up.
No.
Man, I got killed 12 people with a handgun, though.
With a handgun?
You can't even do that shit in Call of Duty.
No.
That's wild.
Fam. And all you gotta do in Call of Duty is duck behind like some cardboard and you good.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Then you pop back up and clap some more motherfuckers. Like, that's crazy.
I have more Call of Duty beefs, but Treyarch, y'all doing a good job with updating and shit.
Shut the
you know what I'm saying?
You did your thing.
Yo, shout out to A-Track. We had the Goldie Awards last night.
Yeah.
Shout out to Brandon the God.
Okay.
And, wait, who was it? Buck Rogers won.
Rogers had the Buck Rogers.
Shit was good. Brandon the God is like 11 from Brampton, Canada.
Wow.
Man's his little guy needs
Oh, shit.
Killed the shit.
Is he baby A-Track?
He looks like a young Russell Peters.
A-Track prodigy?
No, he's like, he really looks like a young Russell Peters.
Oh, young Russell Peters? He's not Russell Peters' kid. Yo, Russell Peters was mad into hip-hop.
Yeah, but it wasn't Russell Peters' kid. Russell Peters knows his kids.
He knows his kids?
He don't got like
he don't got the secret kids?
Americans have the secret kids in Canada.
Yo, my Indian gang, chime in, B. Do y'all got secret families too? Or is that a strictly West Indian thing? Let me know. Holla.
Oh yeah. Is it a secret family if only one person doesn't know? I mean, if your wallet knows and you know and they know.
I mean, there's a lot of people that know.
Why does everyone have to know about everyone's family? Why am I mind your business? Is it your family? No, you have your own picnic here. Do your thing with them.
Pay attention upon your picnic.
Okay, don't worry about where this money is getting Western Union to on Friday. Okay?
Yeah.
Little baby Desus needs to go to private school. I'm like, yo, can you transfer that into like Antiguan money?
Right. Talking to Steve, like, yo, can you like finagle?
They're like, yo, I love you. What time the Showtime show starts? I'm like, I'm not here for that.
No, stop that.
Please send that. Also, here's a barrel full of white jeans.
Take that shit. I actually ordered a barrel this week. I ordered a barrel because I went to the closet from La Linea Shipping.
Wow.
It's going to the Dominican Republic.
They don't have barrels on.
Tims.
They gotta have barrels on Amazon.
No, but like they bring you the barrel, you fill it up, and they take it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Fancy.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was like, oh, y'all do that? All that? I thought I had to get the barrel myself. I was like, yeah, niggas bring me the barrel and then just be like, call me when the shit's ready. Okay, bet.
Barrel to the door.
Yeah, that's just going straight to the DR. Be like, full of Tims.
Straight to DR.
Full of Tims and hoodies. Niggas should be in there sweating, in DR sweating like, looking like Common with the sleeveless hoodie on all day, like.
It's gonna be your barrel and Yes Jules distributing the clothes to like little kids in DR and shit.
I'll be like, yo, that's my fucking barrel. Peter should say Mero on it.
I just love the experience. Don't be mad at me for doing good things. This is her giving a pair of Parasucos to like a young Dominican kid. I'm like, I like the vibes.
Yeah.
Oh,
the
man.
vibes here in Mountain City are lit. Like, I have academic sweatsuits for everybody. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yo, it's fucking 40 degrees in New York, B. It was 80 degrees yesterday, wasn't it? Am I bugging?
It should be 40 degrees in New York. Yesterday was an anomaly.
But that's wild, B.
It's called global warming.
Climate change is real, B.
It is. Who doesn't believe in climate change?
Who doesn't believe? That's what I'm saying. Like, there's still people out there that are like, yo, that shit is fugazi.
No, I mean, like, some people are like, I need to see proof. It's like, nigga,
this is proof.
You know what? Climate change is one of those things where, like, you just gotta wait.
Also, like,
you just gotta wait because we're gonna be laughing at people when you gotta take like a canoe to 14th Street and shit.
Oh man, everything's just covered in vines and shit. Like
when you gotta put on scuba gear to go to Century 21, you gonna feel stupid.
When you see me snorkeling down Tremont, nigga, you know what it is.
Like,
just nigga, this.
You gonna see? I'm gonna pull up to Milk Studios with like 4 walruses, like park them shit to the front.
Kevin Costner is a security guard and shit. He's like, yo, welcome to Water Studios. We're not milk anymore.
Niggas stabbing each other for like a tablespoon of water.
Yo, this shit is real, B. And also, do climate change deniers also deny that there was like an ice age and shit like that? Like,
yeah, because they're just like,
what?
what proof do you have that there was there? I'm like, there was a whole documentary about it called Ice Age.
Fucking dicks.
All right.
There's like 4 parts with little possum guy.
He pulled an acorn.
Yeah.
Like fractured Pangea or some shit like that. I actually never saw that movie.
That's just facts.
I never saw it.
I never saw it.
I never saw that.
I just threw it on Netflix one day for the kids. I need to smoke some weed outside. I was like, yo, when I watch Ice Age, I'm about to go get lit. I'll be right back. And then I sat down and I forgot the entire movie.
I mean,
didn't have a lot of replay value.
Yeah,
I give it 2 stars.
Yeah.
Do
you find yourself watching a lot of movies like that you just forget because they're like kids movies? Do your kids not want to watch Ice Age over and over and over?
Kids are weird because kids will watch the same shit over and over again. Mm-hmm. Like my 3-year-old has watched the same episode of Peppa Pig 10 times in a row.
Mm-hmm. Which episode is that?
The one where, first of all, like you said before, Peppa is mad rude. And super rude, and it's spreading to George, her little brother.
Yeah.
She's like corrupting him because they had, the little grabby machines?
Yeah.
The episode was where they were in the thing and they were using the little grabby machine and everything in there was, they went to Potato World.
World.
Everything in there was a potato except for one dinosaur. George fucks with dinosaurs. He's like, dinosaur. So he gets the dinosaur, but them clothes is fugazi and they're mad weak.
Right.
So he picks up the dinosaur, the shit falls, and he's like, oh, and the potato mascot guy's like, oh, looks like the dinosaur is too heavy. Maybe you get the potato. Then he got the potato and he was just like, meh, and just threw the potato like, fuck this potato, shit is whack. I want a dinosaur. I was like, damn, nigga, you mad rude, bro.
Oh my God.
You little rude asshole. Be grateful.
That's like when I got sent to England on punishment. And
Here, travel across seas on punishment. Only fucking West Indian parents do that shit.
I was in Birmingham, England, which is like very sad and depressing. And like my grandfather was like, "Oh, we're gonna go to like Blackpool," which is like not a popping spot.
No.
It's like popping. I guess
Is it more popping than Liverpool?
it's. I'm trying to figure out what the New York equivalent of Blackpool would be. I guess it would be like the Jersey Shore.
The Jersey Shore.
Yeah,
oh,
but England, so it's like the sand is gray and shit.
The water's just black tea.
But there's like
It's Earl Grey.
Earl Grey.
Earl Grey.
So the street is lined with casinos, and they have this one game where you put a pound in and it goes down a slot. It lands flat on a table, and the machine moves back and forth, pushing other pounds off that ledge.
Yeah, like the Chuck E. Cheese shit.
Yeah, But it's like mad money, and a pound is like $1. And so, you know, like I'm a little kid, and like I'm like, oh, let me get like some pounds. I got like 5 pounds, and I'm pushing mad money right on the edge, and I'm like, yes. About to have it. And I push my last pound, and it pushes the money, and there's like coins just kind of hanging over the edge, and I'm like, and so I just ram the machine as hard as possible with my hip. And all types of alarms start going off.
No.
And like everyone's staring at me.
It's like the tilt shit on the
Yes,
pinball
exactly.
machine.
I didn't know it was gonna do that. And I'm like, oh shit. And I was like, whose picnic is this? I'm like, oh shit, they took picnic. And I actually get thrown out the fucking casino.
This nigga's Jesse Sheffield.
And it's like raining outside. I don't have like an umbrella. And when my mother comes out and she's like looking for me for like the last 25 minutes, I'm like soaking wet, and I get in trouble again.
Let's get soaking wet.
But every time on that trip, like every time I disappeared, like I'd be in like the porno shops, and my mother would find me. And I'm like, yo, it's legal over here. What the fuck?
What you mean? Page 6 got titties.
I like walk in there, like, are you of age? I was like, yeah, in America, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a big titty section. Yeah. Blind me, mate.
Hey.
It's tea time over here. I like the look of her sauces.
Oh, well, she's exposing her fanny, eh?
But so in England, you take porn for granted because they're adults, and then like in their newspaper they have titties.
They're titties just for no reason.
See, that's how America needs to be. Then we would. I think that's the problem. We're so sexually repressed. That's why we do all the shootings.
There's titties and
if there were more titties, because there's mad violence on TV, but there's not enough titties.
Yeah.
Not,
be inclusive.
I guess more dicks.
Throw some dicks out there. Throw some titties out there. Throw some
balance
butts
it out.
out there.
There's all types of body shit.
Yeah. Just all genitalia everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Scrotums. You know what I'm saying? Titties, areolas.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like that.
Why
little
are we so scared of genitals?
The gooch.
The gooch
Is wild, underrepresented. You know what I'm saying? In media.
The ball sack doesn't get enough representation
At all.
on TV and in during blowjobs
And during BJ's as well.
You know?
If you got to touch right there, like, yo, my,
man.
Can you hit the balls a little bit? It's like being at the car wash and you see a dude like he's wiping, like he's missing his spine. You're like,
come on, get the tires, man. I paid for the arm oil, make them shit shine.
Come on, my nigga. Like,
damn,
there's dirt in between that little crevice of that rim, my nigga. Come on, like, get that. You got to get that.
Listen, at the end of the session, the ball sack got to be sweating like a fat guy at a buffet.
Straight up, man. Like, yo, I got to be sweating like niggas on trial. Like,
you got to take the rug. You got to like clean yourself like an old timey cartoon, like go back and forth through the floss. Yeah, like you're cleaning a bowling ball, looking like you're playing a violin. Like,
fam,
we got to make like a. Like, you know how they had the animation for fucking Popeye? We need to make a Bodega Boys that kind of animation with me and you.
That old Steamboat Willie shit.
Yeah. Just rocking back and forth. We got weed in a spinach can. Niggas chewing it like, bloop, bloop. You were kind of like Bluto, though. Was Bluto Dominican?
Yo.
Oh, shit. Exposed. Another secret Dominican.
Yo, secret Dominicans everywhere.
Think about it. Bluto was always trying to steal olive oil from Popeye.
Trying to take your bitch.
And always like downplaying Popeye and ready to fight Popeye.
He always ready to scrap. He always had work on the block, and he always had formal dress shoes on with jeans.
Bluto Martinez.
Damn, Bluto Martinez. Damn, B. You know what I'm saying? Nigga's real name was Re Bluto.
Oh, wow.
Requete Bluto.
Wow. You listen.
Usher's a secret Haitian. Bluto's a secret Dominican. Yo, the whole island Espanol is in shambles. Expose yourselves.
Why are you
Have
ashamed?
pride in your nation.
Why are you ashamed to expose? And he was like mad hairy. Wow.
Yo.
His voice is very loud, harsh, and deep with an incomprehensible bear-like growl between words and sentences.
Man, yeah, he's like,
this
man.
voice, as well as his dark beard, crooked teeth, and bulk.
That my nigga. That was it. My nigga Popeye, I gotta fuck you up, my nigga. Yo, you eating Spanish, my nigga, smoking weed from Familia. I want to fuck you up, my nigga. That's it.
Oh,
Fuck
wow.
out of here.
Oh, shit. Wikipedia got slandered to prove he was Dominican. Bluto is generally portrayed as of low intelligence, typically acting without thinking and utilizing brute force.
Wow.
If that ain't Dominican,
Wow.
wait for the next one. Often has 3 cuts in his eyebrow and drives a Lincoln Town car.
That's
Says it right there.
Reporting.
I'm not lying now. Why would I make that up?
Reporting.
Has secret family. Enjoys them blow. No. Catch him at Locksmith.
Frequently seen on Diamond.
Shout out to my nigga Bluto in the building.
Yo, my nigga Bluto in here. Dominican. Nigga Bluto with the tight ass Versace shirt. Like, yo,
he got like P.O. on his fucking
on his
shoulder.
shoulder.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Shout out to P.O. flying in helicopters.
Terrified.
Terrified.
Who puts a kid in the kid in the helicopter?
Fam, that reminded me of the scene of that like behind the scenes video of that dog movie where it was like all about like a dog like trying
A
to
Dog's Life?
A Dog's Life, yes. And they showed behind the scenes footage.
Oh,
where
when
the
they're
German
pushing the
Shepherd-
dog into the...
Yeah, and the German Shepherd was shook. And it was just like, whining. And they were just like, get in the water, bitch. Like, I was like, yo. I feel like somebody was like, get in the helicopter, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Because I was like, bro, listen, if I wouldn't have been off all those edibles, I would have also been terrified of the helicopter ride. In
Mero
Coachella.
was the original Drake verse from Asura. He was like, out like a light. Like a light.
Hey,
Like a light. Because I know
hey.
when that shit was about to crash,
Slept through the
and I
flight.
looked at him and I was like, this nigga slept through the flight. So I was like, I was like,
Then we stopped to refuel. I was like, I still got scores to settle.
no, we...
Store 5
When that
stickers.
helicopter, that helicopter dipped, and I was like, we were about to die.
Now dip, baby, dip. Come on.
And
now,
I looked at
dip.
Mero, and Mero was like, Slumber World. This nigga was playing fucking Little Nemo. This nigga was on a lizard's back with a big magic stick.
Nigga look back. I was just back there with the sleep apnea machine. Like,
It was like, this nigga throwing candy at frogs. I was like, yo. And the guy was like, sorry, little turbulence. I was like, that's not little.
That's not little. That's not little.
Because the thing with helicopters, there's not a lot of wiggle room.
No.
Okay?
It's not. There's no.
At least with a plane, it's like, yo, you might land in the water.
You know what I'm saying?
Because they're playing like, yo, if here's a crash routine, here's what we do. The procedure.
The procedure is this.
When you get on a helicopter, like,
It's
yo,
everybody I feel dead. That's the procedure. You open the pamphlet. Everybody I feel dead. I'm like,
damn.
oh shit, damn. Okay.
you open. They're like, here's in case of emergency. You open it. It's like, he's dead. Bye, nigga. You're like, ah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn.
But we made it.
Like, damn, your niggas didn't watch Black Hawk Down? Niggas survived that?
But remember those people who died on that sightseeing tour not too long ago.
Yeah. See, that's why I don't play that shit, bro.
don't play that
I don't
shit.
play that shit.
You just like triggered my PTSD from the helicopter ride. He was navigating on one of those in his lap.
Yeah,
I peeped that.
That shit
I'm
was
like,
sliding, and that wasn't turbulence.
I had
we were above a wind farm.
I had a lucid moment where I looked up and I seen. I was like, "This nigga playing Candy Crush."
here's the part where should have scared y'all niggas. That nigga was on 10% for like the whole ride, right? He was like, what? Doesn't seem to be holding a charge. I was like,
Well.
I was like, we got 3 more hours.
Oh, let's try low power mode.
He was like, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna turn off the GPS. I was like, no, leave the GPS on.
I'm gonna turn the screen brightness all the way down
He was like, you know what? He was like, I came up with an idea. I'm gonna call an Uber, and we're gonna just track the Uber to the destination. I was like, what?
Uber's texting you. Where you at? Where are you? Where are you? I am in front of Marshall's.
He was like, I could charge it, but it's gonna take energy. He plugs in, you just hear the energy like on the engine. The engine is like, woo, 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 woo. He's like, hold on, let me just get 20%. I was like, nigga, the helicopter. He's like, he's like, oh, you need a charge?
Then you look down as a wind farm that's just gonna turn you into straight hamburger meat as soon as you touch that shit.
On the side of a mountain. I'm not even playing. From LA to Chino, there's a fucking mountain range.
It's like,
and
yo,
they put
death.
wind turbines on it because it's so damn windy. He's calling the tower speaker to make it a call, and no one's picking up. And he's like, these guys love to push it on to someone else.
Niggas complaining his baby moms and shit. The FAA at the same time, like, yo, I told you I'd be home by 6. Yo, listen, man, y'all gotta turn one of these turbines on because I gotta get over this motherfucking mountain. These niggas gonna crash. We gonna die. Yo, don't you see I'm on the phone with the FAA? You wildin'. I don't give a fuck. You say
That's how the government kills you.
Yep.
Small airplanes.
Yep.
Who was the guy the Clintons had killed by a small airplane?
JFK Jr.
Not JFK Jr.
I just threw that.
That was a small plane.
That was a small plane.
I think here's a hot take because if you read the book later, apparently he did not get along with his wife's sister. and she was on the plane as well.
Imagine
like-
my sister just like unscrewing a bolt from under the plane.
No, like apparently, like I'm listening. I'm sure y'all guys will fact check me. They were like fighting about they were running late or some shit before they got on the plane.
Oh no, that's true.
Yeah.
No, that was in like.
He was probably like say it again.
Yo,
Say one more.
Bitch, I'm JFK Jr. Bitch.
that's what I mean. Yo, what a waste of a pompadour.
You know what I'm saying?
Now that I'm older, I'm just like, yo, he was like set up to be Playboy extraordinaire.
Oh, yeah.
for, like, decades.
Well, he was married though. Well, that never stopped the Kennedy.
Really? Like, come on,
all.
fam.
Of all families.
Of all families, hey, Kennedy had Marilyn Monroe giving him top end like nigga
the
on
White
film.
House.
Like
That's wild messy.
for his
He had
birthday.
him singing
That's
Happy
like Trump
Birthday.
having Rihanna come through. Like, how do you keep that low?
Man's had Marilyn Monroe all up in the video
Speaking of which, I'm out.
Oh, Ron Brown. Ron Brown, not to be confused with
Ron Brown's
Ron
the
Brown's-
Ether Boy.
No, he was he was the Secretary of Commerce during the first term for President Bill Clinton.
Oh shit.
And
God damn.
He was 54 and on an official trade mission.
Oh, a
in a modified
trade, boy.
Boeing 737.
Oh,
that
shit.
crashed into a mountainside. Everyone on board was killed instantly, except for flight attendant, who died while going to the hospital.
By having a cloth placed over her nose and mouth?
No, but like no joke, but like all the InfoWars and stuff, they're always like, yeah, it was
They
like
did it.
The Clintons. They have a
did
list
it.
of like 60 people the Clintons killed.
Yo, they did it.
I'm like, all right,
All right,
that's
yo,
kinda-
the
you
Clintons
know what? If we were rational people, InfoWars would be the shit.
Yeah.
That's
Also-
what you could go, and then you say it to that shit in the barbershop, and niggas be like, word.
That's
There are
facts.
lists
That's
of people.
facts. That's facts. That's facts. Also, if the Clintons were like a hood family, they would have mad respect in the hood.
Yeah.
Like, yo, y'all niggas got 60 bodies? Yo.
Like Hillary Clinton come in with the wild gold chain,
Like, yo,
with
what
the
up?
gun sticking out in the
Good.
barbershop. Like,
What's
who's
up?
next?
What up?
I'm next. Fuck y'all.
fuck y'all niggas,
I
man.
brought my own cave. Get out of here,
Yo,
little nigga.
fuck out of here,
What's
dude.
up? What's
Shit's-
up?
Nigga, shit's Gucci. Nigga, suck my dick.
What's going on,
What's
my
up?
man? She daps up like one of the convicts now.
Yeah, what up, nigga?
What's up?
You just came home? Word. I got you something.
All right, so Trey
You know
gang,
what I'm
nigga,
saying?
what's up?
You already trade away all day. You already know what it is, nigga.
Yo, you know what it is. Keep this
Nigga.
bootsy faded shit. Yo, that's a fire stick. Yo, turn to Daz's Marrow. Niggas is wild funny.
Them niggas is dumb funny,
is
yo.
dumb
Word up.
funny and
Word
shit.
up. Word up.
Yo, word.
Fuck out of here.
Yo. What?
Yo.
Fuck the Lakers, yo.
them-
Fuck that.
yo,
fuck that.
them niggas,
LeBron's
man.
pussy. I'll
Yeah,
drop 20
man.
on that nigga.
Facts, B. I did it in high school, nigga.
Yo, check the name. Hillary Rodham. You know what it is.
Niggas don't even know LeBron used to play for Evander, nigga. I played
Yo.
for Lehman. You know what I'm saying? I dropped
Yo,
40 on that
Gunther.
nigga.
Gunther, let her know my gun box.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Let him know.
Who
Know what
runs
I'm saying?
Chappaquiddick, though? You know what it is. Talking mad loud on the phone. Like, what?
Nigga got Martha's Vineyard is just a grow house.
Yeah.
Niggas growing that Clinton Kush.
Niggas packing up naked.
Hey, I don't want to see no skimmer bags.
Hey. Check his foreskin.
Check his foreskin. He might be hiding some
He got
coke
a
in there.
nugget in there.
I know he does. I see it's rocking.
check myself.
I check myself too.
When you check the dudes, I'm going to check their pussy.
Yeah.
Bill Clinton, the pussy inspector.
I got a speculum on deculum.
He's doing a little fish hook. Like he's looking for a missing condom. You know, we should actually invent that. That would be the first person merch.
The first
Piece of merch, our Bodega Boys condom finder.
Condom Finder, and then
When
we
it
just
comes
have
off.
Onyx do the remix of Black Vagina Finder, but call it Black Condom Finder.
Me and Jack.
Boom.
The black condom finder.
Like the we Jack, the Black Condom Finder.
She got our faces on it. Like, The girl's like, I didn't know you were a bodega hive. She's like, gang,
Ow! Oh,
They're like, why is there a sharp corner for no reason? The sharp corner is your nose. Yeah.
yo! Fishing out a condom is a humbling moment.
I mean, is it? But it's also, it's pretty.
It's like humbling, but it's like
It's
it
not
also brings
humbling
you
because it's
closer
like,
together.
was it so tight that the shit got yanked off? Or did you not put it on properly in the first place?
You know what I'm saying?
Did you just put, did you,
You
just
might have
put,
just been henny drunk and halfway
you
there.
put it on like a yarmulke?
Hat, yeah,
Yeah,
like
you
a
didn't roll it
wizard
down
hat,
and
just
shit?
have the shit hanging off like a do-rag, you know what I'm saying? Nah,
you gotta
can't do
roll that shit down like an HBCU in the
Yeah.
90s hat.
You know what I'm
Like,
saying?
Put that shit all the way down.
All the way down to the base.
To the base.
to the
How
base.
low can you go?
How low can you
The
go?
shaft?
How low can you go?
Let a nigga know. There's not as many rap songs about condoms.
I'm okay, a word.
There used to be lots of songs about condoms.
Remember? There was an album
J,
about
the
condoms.
I, the
nigga.
M, the M, the I, the J, the I is Jimmy.
Roll
Digital
up.
packets and all this
Yeah.
shit. Nowadays, like, what? You don't hear anyone talk about.
Jabrowski?
Like fucking, what's his name? Young NBA boy got herpes. It's just like, fuck it, niggas get herp.
Yeah.
Him and his girl got herpes.
It's like, yo, fuck it, we out here.
I'm too old to be condoning a herpes rap.
Nah.
I'll put up with drug rap. I'll put up with little pump opioid rap. I'm not put up with herpes rap.
No herpes rap.
Not gonna be in a club like, who got the herp? He got the herp.
Hey,
We got the herp.
Hey, put your hand.
Hey,
If you got that herp, put your hands up.
I never had a cold sore quite like this before. One bump now, two bump now.
What? That shit
Never
got pussy.
had an outbreak like this on my lip before. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's that bump right there? Oh. Bump drop.
What's your zodiac sign? Is it pus? Like, oh man. No.
Don't drink after her. Oh shit. Niggas mad wash mad herp. Everybody touching that. Touch a herp. Touch a cold sore. Touch a cold sore. Blistex.
Everybody drinking with a straw and shit. Like, nah, man.
That's right. We're building the first herpes-friendly club.
Yeah, that's it. No straws. Everybody's just using the same glass. We don't care.
Doing the herp down. The herpes.
Hey.
Ain't nothing wrong if I want an outbreak all night long. We gotta get this blister.
All night long. All night.
For more herpes-related songs, please download our Herp playlist on Spotify. Available now and also on
Who got
Tidal.
the herp? He got the herp.
5 MCs and we all got the herp. I got herpes on a nigga's list. More outbreaks. Oh fuck. So we got herpes humor. We do some foreskin humor early. Shout out to Milk Studios allowing us working on the album. Foreskin Boys out here. La Leche, the EP.
You know what I'm saying?
We got Ezra coming through. I talked to EP last night.
Ezra
Just Blaze might throw a beat at us. Listen, we are going to have the hottest album of the first quarter. Leche Boys already coming through.
We got Mix back in the building. Oh, everybody, man.
I'm going to get the iced out chain that look like Splash Milk, and it's going to be on my chest. It's going to be white diamonds.
Diamonds, daddy.
And he's going to be like, why you got iced out cum? I'm like, it's milk.
It's milk.
It's milk. It's not iced out.
It's la leche.
This nigga got ejaculation on his chain.
It's just a wild dick piece that shoots a load out like it's all diamonds. And it's just loose diamonds that just fall everywhere.
Nigga balling.
Damn, this nigga's really balling.
Bring the camera and get my pre-cum earrings.
Yo, here, check it out. Nigga, boom.
Dripping, nigga. Dripping for real.
They got the foreskin necklace and shit, like.
Who said pearl necklaces are only for women?
You know what I'm saying?
Nasty. We're working with jewelry collaboration with Pornhub.
Damn, did Pornhub fall off? Or is Pornhub still number one? Number one.
Well, who do you compare it to?
It's like, yeah, it's
like you never go in Google like, yo, is Pornhub the best?
Yeah, Pornhub is like the Google of porn.
I feel like whatever porn site you're using, like you make the most of it. Like whatever your favorite is, like maybe you go to this because it has faster thumbnails. Maybe this one has more HD.
Yeah.
Maybe this has more kinky shit.
Yeah.
Maybe this one doesn't care about copyright shit. It will show you bestiality from Brazil.
You know what I mean?
Whatever works.
Whatever works.
Whatever floats your boat.
Bestiality from Brazil.
Hot, you're like hot interracial porn. They got a zebra. You're like, yeah. They close the blinds. Like, yeah. That's the kind of porn.
The little
at the end,
stick, like, yeah.
At the end, after you wipe your nut, like you gotta just throw the whole MacBook away.
Yeah, nah, you gotta throw this shit in the incinerator. Like, yo, fuck it.
Go back to
like,
the Apple store. Like, yeah, I just need another.
I just need
MacBook. They were like, sir, this is your fourth one this week.
Like, yo, don't worry. Don't ask. Listen, do you want my money or not? Stop
you click
asking me
on it.
questions.
You're like, you click on it, and Pornhub's like, really?
Again, nigga?
Really? The shit takes extra long to load. This is like, yo,
you sure?
Shit, Clippy pops up like, yo,
fam,
yo,
remember me?
Yo,
I'm here to give you some advice, my nigga. You kind of wildin' right now.
You a little low on order SVU, if you know what I'm saying.
You feel me?
You really want Stabler kicking out your door?
I don't know, fam. Are you spoofing your IP for this? I don't know, G. I don't know, my G.
I mean, this shit is legal, but I don't know for how long.
You know what I mean?
Yo, at least turn on the brightness.
Fam, that's a fucking endangered ape. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, B.
Yo, not for nothing, put some electrical tape over the webcam. That shit might be on.
It might be on, B. You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to get out of here because I'm not trying to catch a felony.
Fam, this caption say hot sex with Harambe's corpse. Nah,
like,
man.
You wildin'.
We wildin'.
You speeding.
You wildin'.
You speeding.
You wildin', B.
Click here to resume.
For like $5 like box pops. Come on.
Try not to come.
Are you sure? Try not to come. Man, those be the worst ones. Because I'm like, yo, fam. Like, yo, fam, don't put music. Don't put music on this shit.
Which
like,
is wild louder than everything else.
everything. Like, fam, I'm trying to hear the Pinot. Like, come on.
Hey, I'm trying to hear the
I'm
Pinot.
trying to hear the Pinot.
Bop the bee, bop the boo. Trying to hear the Pinot.
Come on, I like a nice Pinot.
One day when we get more cash, shout out to Square Cash, we're gonna our Vegas residency. We're just gonna play the audio soundtracks from our favorite Pinot clips.
They got a Vegas.
But we're gonna be out there in tuxedos like we're leading a symphony. Someone was gonna be moaning. I'm like, more.
Yes, more.
It's like tonight.
No laughing. Who's laughing? No laughing.
Tonight, conductor Desus Nice will be performing "Pinky Does Maya G" in B flat.
In B flat.
Opens with the door going. She's like, like more. That's how Pinky sounded before like she even got anything in her. I was like, yo, mom, it's like that near you. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming?
Why are you screaming? She be putting her bra on like, oh, shit, oh,
like,
damn,
relax.
oh, daddy.
Relax.
Like, yo, chill.
That'd be
When did she start that wave? Like when she turned into a human thumb? Is that when she started
She had a
hitting
good run.
shorties with the straps?
She had a good run. That should be a show we do. We're gonna invite people to Milk Studios.
30 for 30, but for Pinot stars.
No, well, also that. Damn, that's a whole nother show.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, a lot of them don't want to live up to their porn past.
That's true.
But the ones that do want to talk about, we talk about. Like, we could get, like, probably Kira Rodriguez.
Yeah.
Shout out to her. Great
Yo,
team. Oh, my
amazing.
watch people's like,
Yeah.
Obsession. She
You know what I'm
disappeared.
saying? Yeah, shout out to her. D.
D.
Remember D?
Yeah, with the lazy eye.
Yeah.
Shit was hot, though.
Yeah, she was like, yo, because to me, it was like, yo.
Damn, this is the second week in a row you talk about a hot chick with a cockeye. Also, you can't call it a cockeye no more.
You can't.
Can't call it a cockeye.
You got. I don't know what it's called anymore. A
It's
floater?
called an astigmatism.
An
or
ephus? An ephus?
can't call it a lazy eye. That sounds problematic.
Yeah.
An eye that is just as functional as the other one, but just doesn't work like the other one.
An eye that's going its own, that is following its
own path and ruling. It has its own agenda.
That's right.
Its own strong, independent eye that doesn't need no man.
Respect that eye's agency.
Agency. There you go.
You know what I'm saying? That's it. Boom. We out here.
We out here.
Woke boys in the building.
Woke boys.
You know what I'm saying? We out
Woke
here.
boys.
Don't ever come for us.
Shout out to all our people with the lazy eye gang. He was like, there's two of them? All right. Victor, can I get another cerveza, por favor? Shout out to Victor in the building. Damn, dude. But yeah, no, what we should do, we should bring in our celebrity friends.
Yeah. We got
And
celebrity friends in the building right now, but we got some bunch of rich motherfuckers in the back right now.
Chilling on the back.
You know what I'm saying?
I like that. We got the little audience
Square
in the
Cash
back.
gang in the building. You know what I'm saying?
Square Cash.
You know what I'm saying? Garrett just pull
Actually,
up with the light.
it's Cash App now, right?
You know what I'm saying?
Cash App.
Cash App now. Cash App out it. You know what I'm
Cash
saying?
App.
Don't fuck up.
No more Square Cash.
No
It's
more
Cash
squares.
App.
No more squares.
We are Square Cash.
Ain't no squares in our circle. You hear me? It's Cash
We are
App.
the Square Cash.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
You heard
man.
me?
Square Cash.
That's it.
It's quiet for Vico.
Nah, all of them. Get them out of here. Trash.
Also, Vico sounds like a traveling Puerto Rican boyfriend.
It does.
I don't have to live there. I gotta take this. I live with Vico.
I saw.
I'm moving out.
I saw 98 Day Fiance. You know what I'm saying? Like.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? So.
Vico got 100 listens on his SoundCloud album, so I don't
So-
need this. It's quiet for you. We're moving in Tilden Towers.
We got a 2-bedroom and the heat is blasted all day, all
Okay,
night.
how
So
you feel?
How you feel? Stupid.
I walk around in gym shorts all
I don't
day.
care
All
if
right?
it's January. I got the
Okay.
windows open. Stupid.
We already paid for Showtime, and Desus Mero ain't even on it yet.
You
Whatever
mad?
we
You
want.
tight?
Whatever we want.
We balling.
I don't have an Amazon hub, but if I go to the check cashing place, they hold my packages. Oh, shout to people.
That's how you know you really in the hood when like the bodega will hold your packages for you and shit.
Fam, if I get packages accidentally sent to my mother's house, like for some packages they won't release them and I have to go to the check cashing place, and if I go on a Friday, there's 2 lines clearly. Or in a functional fucking world, there would be 2 lines.
Yeah, no.
So I go there and there are 18 people cashing their paycheck, and I'm just like, yo, I'm just picking up a package. Y'all mind if I... No. Wait, pick up one more package. I'm like... Nigga, this is I showed them my ID.
No.
And then the people behind the glass, after I get to the bulletproof glass, I slide my ID underneath it. They're like, Desus? A package for and you just see it right behind them. It just says in big letters like Desus.
Jesus.
They're like,
will they
"It's a
get face on the
package?"
shit?
And then like they're walking all around the office. He's like, no, it's right there. It's left. Hot.
You're getting hot. Warmer.
Cold. Marco Polo.
No, you're really hot. Really hot.
Marco
Really hot.
Polo. Polo.
Up to the left, to left. Yeah, the one with my face on it.
They're like, nah.
The one with my face on it.
Then you got to do that whole thing where they have that little room between the doors where they come in. So they open their door, they put your package in there, they lock their door, and then they release the other door because they're like, you're going to break in and take all this cash.
Yeah.
But to be fair, if you've ever been a hood guy, you have at one time thought how to rob the local check cashing place and the people who restock the MetroCard machines. Because them niggas don't want no static.
Yes.
They got the gun, but they already bust that shit.
And they got the Fugazi.
Listen.
The first time I seen the dude replacing the shit, I think he had a 22 on his hip. I was like, I eat one of those in a thigh. I don't give a fuck.
I see him. I looked him in his eye. He was like, yo, fam, it's a union job. My mother said, get one of these.
Yo.
I looked at him. I was like, nigga, you ready to die for them tokens, nigga?
You ready to die, motherfucker?
Nigga, you ready to die for MTA, nigga?
You ready to die for this fucking...
But then you got the guys like, let's fucking go.
Yeah, there's always that one guy. Let's go.
He's like,
I die for this fun pass, nigga.
He's like, nigga, this ain't my service piece. I bought this joint myself.
This is my shit.
Nigga got the Black Ops 4 armor and shit.
She got the red laser on it. I'm like, fuck. She got the thermal scope.
The guy said a 2-jumpy. He pulled a gun on you and just like swiping your MetroCard. You're like, yo, chill.
She got the tape magazines. Nigga just like... Yo, chill, you wildin', B.
The MTA should start a new program where you just buck shots at them people in order to get on the train. Think about, because like hopping the turnstile is bad, yes. What if you got to, like, what if that would help the cops with their shootout? Like, their percentages. Like, if I came through and I just busted mad shots until I get on the train, had mad cops ducking, like, yo. You know how niggas get on the train, like, right before the doors close and, like, whew. I get on the train with my gun smoking and, like, whew. Damn,
just made it.
Gotta reload before 42nd.
You hold the door open with your gun and shit.
Bing
like,
bong, bing bong. Nigga let off a shot like, boom. I see a seat inside.
Nah, I ain't standing clear to close the doors.
If we all move in, we can get to our next destination.
Yo, this man space in the middle. Bah, 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 bah. Fuck out of here. You shoot a vent and shit, man, smoke's not coming out. Like, yo, my bad, yo.
Sorry.
I'll fix the shit next time.
I forgot about the kickback on the 4-5. They come through like, yo, sorry to interrupt your ride, ladies and gentlemen. It's show. Bah, 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 bah. Nah, it ain't Showtime, nigga. Showtime canceled.
Showtime is
Keep
over.
it moving. Next car, next car.
Only Showtime we acknowledges the channel, nigga.
Nigga shoot out the radio like, bah, 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 bah. All right? If you like the way I shot out that radio, clap.
If you don't, I'ma clap, motherfucker.
Niggas coming with the African drums, like, just shoot the drums like,
pow, pow.
Pop, pop. It's a quiet car, nigga.
Shoot the black soap right out the nigga head, like, yo, pow.
Mad gun smoke inside the car for the rest of the ride and shit. Niggas having asthma attacks and shit.
And it's New York, so you know it's like 20 niggas just sitting with their headphones on, like.
Don't even notice shit. Niggas playing Candy Crush.
Like, yo, I got so calling.
People take out their earbuds after the gunshots. Like,
what the fuck was that?
Was there an announcement? What happened?
What happened?
What was going on?
Yo, they skipping 149 again?
What
Yo,
happened?
they stay doing this shit, bro.
Oh, it's going local? Why you bleeding? What happened? What happened? What happened?
This nigga bleeding?
This nigga bleed. Don't get that shit on my foot.
Yo, fam, you get this shit on my Timbs, yo, I'm a fuck. Yo, I swear to God, yo. Yo, Nike just sent me these shits, my nigga, for real. I'll stomp you the fuck out.
That's literally how life used to be in like the 80s.
Yo, it's facts.
In the 80s, the whole thing with New York, NYPD was like, yeah, you get away with it, you get away with it.
Yeah,
they have forensics and shit.
Yo,
All the technology the world had in the world in the 80s was spent on developing a Jerry curl and crack. So they had like no DNA tests, they didn't have no surveillance cameras.
The police academy in the 80s was like, yo, like now they make you like do obstacle courses and shit. They were like, in the 80s it was like, yo, can you do a 4-yard dash? All right,
go.
You're in.
You're in. Let's go.
Can you kind of shoot a gun? All right, you're in. You know how to take a bribe? All right, you're in.
Oh, shit. In the 80s.
Yo, I watched that fucking the 7-5 documentary. It's about the 75th precinct in Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit is like, I watched that shit and I was like, I knew all along. We all knew all along.
I mean,
Larry Davis was right.
Oh, yeah.
Say
Larry
Davis.
Larry Davis? Or
Davis,
yeah. I'm thinking Larry Davis.
But they're both right.
Yeah.
They're both right. They're both icons.
We got to reshoot the Larry Davis story, but we have
David?
we got to have him like busting at the cops with the Curb Your Enthusiasm music playing behind, like, brom, brom, brom. He's like, fucking pigs, y'all never take me alive. Like, brom, 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 brom.
I mean, if you're shooting me, I guess you should return fire. I don't know.
I mean, they're crooked cops. Like, who knew?
Who knew? Leon, what should I do? Shoot them motherfuckers, Larry.
Larry, you gonna get these fucking cops away with it?
Larry, you asshole, bust your gun.
Bum, bum, bum. He busts the gun back. He's like, I don't want to shoot it.
Cheryl comes in like, Larry, what are you doing? There's a gun problem in this country. What's wrong with you?
Fine, I'll bust one gun. And he's like, bust one shot. And ricochets and hits someone right in the head.
He's like, hey, what if I throw the bullet?
This is the crossover you guys want. Theo, you writing this shit down?
You writing this shit down? The Larry David story starring Larry David. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Executive produced by the Bodega Boys. Let's get it.
Exactly, the Foreskin Boys. Get everyone in on it.
Foreskin Boys, White Genocide, everybody. Let's get it.
That'd be a wonderful show.
Yo, we have so many fake bands. We can do a battle of the bands.
With ourselves.
As a two-man show.
As ourselves. Do you have a drum and bass entity?
Oh, man.
We have never had the drum and bass boys.
We need the drum and bass boys, but I gotta have this wild robotic name.
It's like the
you're the computer nigga. Give me something. What's a wild computer part that like mad people wouldn't know about?
Nah, we are gonna be the bottom drop boys.
The bottom drop boys. The bottom drop boys. Man, people be confused. Show up to the show with like leather outfits. Like,
this is not what I thought.
This is not what I expecting. I bought the hand sanitizer for after
bottom drop boys with the number one single. Drop that bottom. We're in a sound clash against the fucking. Against the Martinez brothers? In Ibiza.
Ibiza, where I put Molly in my butt.
They're like, y'all don't know about the special rebates. We come out with dances.
I've never been to Ibiza. Have you been to Ibiza?
I've never been to, well, if you've never been, well, how the fuck would I be?
I don't know.
The closest to Ibiza I've been is Westchester. So... It's the same thing. Do they
Closer to me, nigga.
Do they got a cheese factory in Ibiza?
I'm like, yo, they got Yard House in Ibiza?
Oh, shit. Nigga said Yard House. You gotta go to the Apple store. I got Molly in my iPod. Oh shit.
Yo.
They still have phone parties out there, which if it was 20 years ago, I would think is hot, and now I'd just be like, ew.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I never understood phone parties or parties where people pour shit on you.
Yeah.
Early in the party, and then you gotta just like be covered in like Mountain Dew for 3 hours.
Because we are revolutionaries, and all we do, we lead the brand. The brand is strong, and all we are innovative thinkers who think outside the box consistently and 24/7.
Free thinkers.
We are going to start a new genre of parties.
Let's go.
Hand sanitizer parties.
Woo!
But instead of just hand sanitizer on your hand, it's like 3 feet.
Anywhere.
A hand sanitizer on the dance floor.
Yeah.
Everyone's just like swimming through the shit.
You can drink
throw
the
it
shit.
in your eyes and shit.
Yo, you want a hand sanitizer
You can get drunk off the shit.
You know what I'm saying?
And it's like, the bottom drop boys like, do. And we're just like, and the lights go off.
Then you just like a little jazz flute, like.
And you just hear a different. The cloud's like. And we bring the lights up and it's mad hand sanitizer raining down on everyone. Hand sanitizer. And it's just like,
Oh shit, yo, we lit.
bottom drop boy. It was like clapping and shit. Like, it's just like, yo.
We just press one button and walk away from the table.
There's girls in the front crying. Listen, when them bottom drop boys come through, you know what I'm saying?
You best get ready, blood. Get ready, blood.
Y'all don't know. You're not ready for that.
You're not ready for that, blood.
With the new trickies.
Yeah.
We are the new prodigy.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? Slap my bitch up. The Broadway version of that. I am the Energizer. Electric.
Instigator, motivator. Niggas just rhyming anything that ended in ater.
You could get away with that back
University of Florida Gator. I'm like, okay, all right.
I am Tim Tebow. They have the fucking Mortal Kombat. If me and Mero ever make a duo movie about any kind of shit, every time there's a car chase or a fight scene, we are just going to use drum and bass.
Oh, that's it.
Or the Prodigy. That's
Fam,
it.
That's it. They make
Even if the shit takes place in an urban environment.
Fam, it could be us going to White Castle. If you throw it as a background music, it's like an adventure. Like, yo, shit. Oh, they're out of mozzarella sticks. Boom.
Boom, 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 boom. You really gonna eat clam strips? Shout out to White Castle, which disguises the fact that you are a fat, disgusting piece of shit.
Yep.
And not fat shaming.
No.
But at 3 a.m., if you are in the drive-thru for White Castle, you're a fat, disgusting piece of shit.
You're not eating healthy. You're not eating right.
And they give you 30 hamburgers in a briefcase.
With no remorse.
They're like, this is your job right now.
They don't even say, I'm sorry.
Your job is to eat these 30 hamburgers. You walk into your house or wherever you dwell, like a Jehovah's Witness with a briefcase full of hamburgers.
Collect that shit open and be like, yo.
Nigga, this is not Pulp Fiction. Just gold coming out the shit like, look at all the cheeses and shit.
With a soda that has a handle?
Oh, shit.
I'm like, yo, if you gotta carry a soda with a handle, my nigga, you
The
might be
soda
living
you get
wrong.
with the crave case, like Scotty from Star Trek comes like, oh, I don't think she could take much more.
I don't think she can handle it, Captain.
So
I don't
she
think
just
so. Captain.
Oh, shit. They got to bypass the dilithium crystals to run the shit.
Yo, son.
Oh.
Niggas is crazy. And the McFlurry machine stay broken.
Oh, shit. But yeah, don't be eating clam strips from White Castle. Also, don't be mailing peanuts.
Don't be mailing niggas peanuts.
And don't be printing out boarding passes for people who don't know. Ink is very expensive. And you just can't just be printing stuff for people.
Nah.
Also, the rest of everyone should print out their boarding passes at work.
Well, you know what?
You listen, if you work somewhere, you legally have the right to print out whatever the fuck you want.
That's
there.
right.
Tell them Jesus said so.
Yeah.
If you want to print out 20 resumes, and if you want to be as blatant as to bring your own resume paper, load it into the printer
Take
at
the
work.
printer out. Take the other shit out.
Put it in heavy people shit, and then hang out while your shit prints.
And just stay
play
there like
mad
this.
nervous, like Your boss come through, you just like distract. Like, You gotta go. You'll use the printer in the East Wing.
You didn't even clock in yet? You just standing there like,
Mero, why are you here at 7 a.m.? What's that printer?
don't fucking worry about it.
What was it? Mero? It's like
Yeah, some boss, right? It's nice, right?
You're using it heavy.
I got like the marble tone.
You get
shit.
there and start hitting the buttons for like extra ink and shit. You have to pay the IT guy like, yo, what's
Dynamic.
the code?
I don't even know what this shit means, but it sounds official.
You're like color
Dynamic
sync,
mode.
up, intense.
Intense.
So I was like, I'm gonna print. I was like, nah, I'm gonna be here for a while. Or you're from the machine like, you got it doing collating and stapling. Just going to a plastic binder.
Ooh, the WB Mason nigga standing behind you like, woo! And the folks like, woo! Woo!
He's like, yeah, who else but? You're like, WB Mason,
my nigga!
It's like a stocking mad green tea, like, yeah, boy, let's go, Yankees. She can flirt with the receptionist. He put mad tea away with no shirt on, like, yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, what's up, you whack bitch? You still using staples?
Hey, guess what? Chamomile put you to tea. Chamomile tea put you to tea. Guess what else will?
Yo,
Your boy Mason.
yo, look at my pants. That's not a toner cartridge. Like, yo, this is nasty as
Like,
shit.
yo, WB, you wildin'.
He's like, yo.
He got a cool nickname and shit. We just call him Dub.
Yo.
Dub, what up, Dub?
What's up? You know what it is?
Yo,
Papping,
it's
laughing,
chilling.
Treyway, nigga.
We out here. Nigga still got the stupid haircut and the mustache.
This nigga humming Mo Bamba while stalking shit. But he's white, but he's like an ally, so he changed his nigga to cracker. He's like, got a cracker calling.
Yo,
I'm like, yo,
knock your
Dub.
phone.
My guy, he's like, Black Lives Matter. I'm like,
Wow, yo, damn.
mad cool.
Yo, I fuck with Dub. That's my man Dub.
like when he comes in, he got all the packages, but he stops by your desk. He's like, yo, Knox looking good this year, right?
Yo.
How you feel about Fritz?
Yo, he's out here. He's doing his thing. Yo,
shit.
he's
we gotta get rid of that Friday Night Knicks theme song. That shit don't slap though.
That slide guitar?
Yo,
that ain't it, Chief.
That ain't it, Chief.
That
man.
ain't it. Not at all.
But
Yo,
this tank for
yo,
Zion,
we out here
I'm
getting it.
gonna catch you later, my guy.
Peace, yo. Y'all gotta go fill these 5 gallon Polar Spring joints.
Typing Matt glowing like, my man Dub be on it.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
He's like, you know what? I'm gonna order extra Post-it notes. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get some Clorox wipes.
yo, I need some pens and some end dust.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm gonna need screen cleaner. else but WB Mason. You come home, your girl in the bed. You're like, what the fuck? What's going on? You come out the bathroom, but like, yeah, nigga, who else?
Who else?
When you pulled up, you start flashing back. You see the truck in front of your house.
You're like, you start
playing. Your girl drinking mad green tea.
You're like,
oh shit,
laughing and shit.
She's like, I'll print that out for you. You look, this mad stock computer paper in the back.
You look at your sink. It's like a mustache wax on it. Like, why she want me to wash? Why she want me to twirl my mouth? Wow. It be your own niggas.
WB your own niggas.
Wow.
Staples like, yo, that Staples tagline like, yo, we won't fuck your bitch.
See?
All we do is to deliver office supplies. That's it. Period. Look at our shit. Our shit is a crooked staple. That shit don't even get up.
No.
All right?
So, you know what I mean?
Look at that. He got the wild artisanal Williamsburg mustache. You know he's going to fuck your girl.
You know, this nigga eat 4 different type of cheeses.
Come on. They advertise during Yankee games. All Yankee fans are scumbags.
You know what time it is, man.
Oh.
Could have made shit easy. Stupid.
Which would hurt more if what's the name? If you found out WB Mason hit your chick or what's the other one? PC Richard.
PC Richard. Wow.
Which would hurt more? You come home and it's just like WB Mason like blowing your girl's back out, or PC Richard but he's doing that whistle.
Probably WB Mason because no PC Richard.
Every time he's stroking it, he's like. Stop it! Stop!
Yo, because PC Richards is like a whistle.
Yeah.
So that nigga got he's packing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if I can follow that. WB Mason looks like a nigga from the Great Depression, so all them niggas had little dicks. You know what I'm saying? So, like, if I'm running up, I'm
you little dick dust bowl nigga.
I'm like, yo, move. I'm like, let me show you how to do this shit, nigga. Back the fuck up.
Oh shit, but PC Richards on TVs and shit. Also, Richard sound like a big dick name.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Nigga name is Dick.
Damn.
He's a nickname Dick.
Nigga, fuck your girl, give her a new washer dryer set.
You know what I'm saying? You lost. You took an L.
Damn.
Oh, yo.
Start looking around the room like she got a new AC, a new HGTV.
Yeah, I make you nut, and I get you that 82-inch joint. You know what I mean? 75% off, man. I ain't even give Della Batances that deal.
6 easy payments.
You know what I'm saying? What's up?
Damn. Wow. That's why you gotta stick with Rent-A-Center. They won't fuck your bitch.
Rent-A-Center won't fuck your bitch.
Rent-A-Center's like, we broken. We just taking money from you anyway.
We just taking money from you anyway. So, I mean, that's how we gonna fuck you.
They're like, so by the way, you owe us $100 a month for this big back TV that's black and white? Yeah, there's no HDMI cables.
Yo, Rent-A-Center is still like a viable business model in the hood because you don't see them just somewhere else.
Well, yeah, of course in the hood because they take advantage.
Yeah, they take advantage of niggas. And niggas
you are in the hood if on one block you see a Rent-A-Center, a hairstylist, a wig shop, and a church.
Check cash the place.
Because listen, they ripping you off.
Yeah.
Rent-A-Center's like, yo, you like this Tiger coffee table? Yeah. $50 a month.
$50 a month, bang. But but it's no commitment. We just take this shit back. Yeah. I see. And then you sell the shit at the warehouse, motherfucker. I know you got schemes.
Listen, you don't need furniture. Furniture is a Babylon thing.
Yeah, it is. Really is.
Furniture is something males get to impress women.
I mean, honestly, I could sleep if I had just like a bed, like a decent bed.
Yeah,
I'd be all right. Like, I don't even need a dresser. Like,
you'd be surprised how many women do not accept a pair of folded jeans as a pillow.
Like.
I'm like, yo, what's up, Ma? You can't sleep booking styles? What's good?
Yo, what's good?
Yo, sleep head to toe.
Yo,
what's up?
I filled the shopping bag full of t-shirts for you.
What's up?
Like, this is not like a regular supermarket.
Yo, I put the comforter down on the floor for real, though.
Yo, this bag right here?
Yo, you wildin', Ma.
Yo, this is from Anthropology.
And shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga take off his Timbs, use them as a pillow. Like, yo, what's up? I'll see you in the morning, nigga. Dap your girl up with the heavy dap. Like,
yo, what up? All right, my nigga,
yo, the CO come through and shit. What's
you know what I'm saying? Yo, just cuckoo, you already know.
You wake up before her, she's still sleeping. You in a box with shredded wheat, like boom. You'll eat up before we see the judge.
Yo, chow time, B. Yo, we about to go see the judge, B. Get your mind right, yo. Get focused. Stick to the script. Stick to the motherfucking script.
You go to the shower with like a razor in your foreskin just in case. You in there lathering up. She tries to get sexy time, comes up behind you, almost $150. Like, what the fuck?
Yo, chill.
Don't be creeping up on the nigga. What's up with you?
Yo, come on, man. You can't be doing that.
You got your Timbs on in the shower. The shit's getting wet. Not trying to get athlete's foot, man.
Nah.
Yo, Ma, you can't be sneaking up on niggas like that.
Come on. Not the Yadas.
Not the Yadas. Bitches is so devious.
So devious. She out of pocket.
Don't destroy sneakers.
Yo, that's foul. Yo, listen, if you want to break up with your man and you want to really fuck him, like, don't do that. Like, that's like, I mean, I guess if you want to really fuck, I mean, it
Yeah,
depends.
if you hurt.
Yeah.
See, the thing, I guess if you caught me cheating or some shit, and you
But,
just
like-
heard my sneakers, would I be hurt? I would just be annoyed because then it's like I gotta throw them away.
Yeah.
You know?
And
And then that just looks childish on you. Don't you want to be the bigger person?
Yeah.
Don't you want to hold your head high and walk
Yeah,
away and say, you know
away
what?
and say, I can do
am
better.
Ariana Grande. Thank you, next.
I know. Yeah, I'm next.
Shout out to her. She made a beautiful song about her exes and said, thank you for the experience you have given me, and I've become a better person. I'm going to work on myself.
She did. And she dyed her hair gray, and she got the most streams ever.
Now, I'm not saying from any of my exes to get any ideas and write songs about me because I will
Nah.
have a cease and desist notice slapped on you so fucking
So fast,
Oh,
so
my
fast.
God.
So fast.
I got them pre-drafted.
Listen, a couple of y'all already signed NDAs.
I'd be like, Victoria, plan B7J.
Yeah.
Action now.
yeah,
Go.
go. Like you sound like John Gruden on the phone. Like, yo, we're running a Spider White 2 banana.
Right.
Action.
Just a strike team shows up at Edenwood Projects.
We're at DEFCON 5.
A girl coming out the building is like, slump her and put her by the incinerator and put like mad opioids in her hand. Listen, what happens in the Bronx stays in the Bronx. She's like, let me tell you about the time Desus took me to go. She's like, DJ Vlad. She's like, so we went to go see Belly,
And then it's just like,
come through like,
it's just like, yo,
static and shit.
oh, we're having technical difficulties.
Yeah, YouTube is done.
Yeah.
Yeah. She got disappeared.
Yo,
Take it away.
yo, damn, that dude is so messy. My God.
Massey, he's Ellen for the hood.
Yo, he really is.
Listen,
It's
that's all
like,
it is.
yo, wow.
Don't get caught.
Ellen, how does Ellen get away with being so messy though? Like,
Because you can't say anything bad about Ellen because she is, a woman with a short haircut. Nah, Ellen is very popping in the daytime.
Yeah.
Like if you watch that.
Like, yeah, I think soccer moms are not mad at like
not.
her poking fun at LeBron James.
If you read the Inquirer, you'll enjoy like a little messiness.
Yeah.
Daytime TV is very boring. It's
Yeah,
very like
Tell me about it.
it's very
Like-
rote. You know what I'm saying? You gotta wait till like 1 o'clock.
For the judge
Those
shows?
messy judge shows come on and shit.
Yeah.
And I always say this. On the judge shows, a visible tattoo is the au poivre sauce
Yep.
of daily TV.
Oh, it's the
Because you already know it's gonna be messy.
Oh my God.
They're gonna say some shit like, "Yeah,
It's like
well,
being-
I didn't know I had to have car. I didn't have. Why would I have insurance on the car if I wasn't driving it for that month?
mean, like,
You know what I mean?
Like, I only took it one time.
If I sign a lease for me to live in the place, I don't understand why I can't have like 3 other people living with me rent free.
Like, they friends. They my friends.
They had a guy on the People's Court. On Judge Faith. Shout out to Faith.
Shout out to Faith.
She the guy was 33 years old. And he lived with a girl who was 21 years old, and he did not pay rent for the whole year.
Wow.
And he was like,
Wow.
and he said, and I quote, because she said I didn't have to. Shout out to the flex guy.
Wow.
Shout out to the flex guy. And I know mad people was watching that at home like, oh shit.
Wow.
Their girl was pressing them like, really? Nigga, you just gonna live up here and not pay no rent?
Like, yo, fam, yo, that is next level.
That's
like,
some. I'm
finessing,
not.
like-
I don't have that in me. I don't have the just sit there just because I mean if you're not paying rent, you're gonna have to start hearing things from people.
yeah,
You're gonna start hearing little digs and shit, like little comments, like
I
wow,
mean,
look
wow.
on Kings of Queens, Kevin James goes to a job.
Wow. That's wow. That's crazy. That's
look, they're
wow.
pooling money together to pay the mortgage. Wow, wonder what that feels like.
Together.
Wow,
Together.
Wow,
Wow. It's wild.
Wow.
Wow. Yo, I just came home from school. They were talking, like in my economics class, they were talking about single income households.
That's wild.
That's wild, right?
That's us.
That's
apparently.
us.
But there's
That's
2 of us.
Yeah, it's 2 of us, but only one of us got a job.
Yo,
Jamel.
look at this
Like,
tweet. Look at this tweet.
Wow, look
this
at that.
tweet says rent is due to. You don't know anything about that, huh?
Oh, no. Okay.
just
Just wanted to get that out there, you know what I'm saying? Let you
Sitting
know.
there on his iPad making beats like.
What'd you say?
What?
What'd you say?
Oh no.
No,
I don't. Want, no, I don't want to watch The Parent Trap. That's right.
No, I'm cool. Yo, I got this ill sample from the Smurfs theme song. It's,
About to
I'm
kill.
I'm
About to
flip
fuck
this
niggas'
shit,
heads
this
up.
shit up.
If
Yo,
I get this shit to 3.6, then I'm out of here, man. Yo, Ma, listen to this right here. Yo, imagine 6ix9ine spitting on. Oh shit, we about to be out of here, man. You gotta just lie. You gotta just lie to them. Be like, yo, I'm 1 beat away, ma.
Yo, that's it.
1 beat away.
Yo, I'm on the phone with 6ix9ine right now. Yo, shh.
Yeah,
Yo,
this is
yo.
good. You like this shit?
Yeah, you fuck with
Like
this?
that Smurf shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, he said he fuck with it.
You fuck with it. You fuck with it. You fuck with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
put
yeah,
extra
yeah.
onions on our steakums. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. Yo, that's your wallpaper. I can see your wallpaper. You're not on the phone call.
Bye.
La 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 la.
You got your boy in there. You're like, yo, my nigga, yo. You should add Gargamel breathing.
Oh shit! Word, yo! I
shit.
bet.
Y'all niggas is broke. Get the fuck out my. Yo, chill, man. Don't make it
Chill,
hot.
yo. We got the acoustic set up. I put the egg cartons myself.
Yo, no disrespect. To your girl, but it's a studio session on the outside of the bathroom, so I'm gonna need you to respect the studio.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. If you gotta go bathroom, I put a chamber pot outside right
but
there.
we locked in right now. We making. I'm saying we focused.
We focus. You know what I'm saying.
focus.
We making this official. Like this is fire.
Yeah.
Like you don't. I know you're not in that world, man. You feel me? So, but like this. Is
Y'all
fire.
niggas put my egg cartons on the wall. Like yeah.
Yeah. It's
It's for sound damping.
It's for sound dampering.
You just got like one thing of egg cartons on the wall.
Yo, trust me, yo. I went to Full Sail for a week. You know what I mean?
You never seen a Nas like video?
Yeah,
like that's how they made that.
That's how they did it. Yo, by the way, my fault. I use your pantyhose as a mic filter. You know what I'm saying? So my fault.
Yo, my man, I think
I don't know if you need those for work.
Your girl don't really respect the 5 elements of hip hop.
Nah, she don't at all. I don't know, B. Well, you might need a new studio space, B.
Yeah, I feel some kind of way, but I gotta wait here till my girl pick me up.
Yeah, so I mean, cause she deleted Uber off my phone. She said stop using my credit card. So I gotta.
I mean, I'm a hip hop dude. I don't really believe in credit cards. Africa Bambaataa ain't have no hip hop credit cards.
Yeah, word up.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
I have a Rush card.
Did Lil Finesse have one? No.
Big L never had no hip hop credit cards.
Nope. Shit. He lost it at a dice game. Was there a card at a dice game? No. Cash only.
Shout out to all my hip hop heads like, yo, them niggas talking.
Them niggas talking that shit, that real shit. That real shit. And back in the day shit. Now you pull up with cash and niggas think they look at you like, what? I went to a store and I pulled out cash to pay for something, like a decent amount of cash.
Mm-hmm. Flex.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do it.
Don't get robbed.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't get robbed.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Yo, my man got us back here with the $1,000 sneakers on. B, come on, we got money out here. Yo, but fucking, the homie looked at me like, you know that meme of Diddy looking at a dollar bill? Like, what is this? Like, I feel like they're so used to swiping that you give them cash and it's just like, they're like, and you know how and like now, like the fast food joints got like the automatic, like you don't even got to do math. You just got to press a button and it gives you the change automatic. Mm-hmm. Like, I guess like department stores haven't caught up to that yet, right? Because they're used to the swipe life. Mm-hmm. And you just see motherfuckers just like, oh shit, plus tax. Would you like to donate 3 cents to St. Jude's and make my life easier? I'm like, yeah, whatever, nigga. Go ahead. No. I don't want 99. I don't want 97 cents in my pocket right now. Jingling all the way down the stairs.
Well, millennials don't really fuck with cash because they got shit like Cash App, and also shout out to the Goldie Awards last night. We had to do a coin flip, and no one on stage had coins.
Wow.
No, but we had to. Someone for the audience had to like give someone a quarter.
The new shit is gonna be like, yo,
they had to be like,
give me a
Cash
phone.
App, make a coin flip app.
Make a coin. Yeah, there we go.
That in the streets.
Bang.
Venmo's gonna make one, but it's gonna be like, this coin flip was used to find sexual positions. Like, yo, why are you making it hot?
Why are you making it hot?
The fuck is that?
Come on, my G.
Yo, coin flip to figure out who has the Narcan. Like, yo. I'm chilling with my chill. I'm visiting my family.
This is between us. This is a us transaction, B. This is not a y'all transaction.
Sheila K did coin flip to see if she keeps it. You're like, wow. Sick that world. Imagine you found out your mother did a virtual coin flip to see if she kept you.
Oh, shit. I'm like, yo, shit, I would.
Damn, that's a hot app. The virtual coin flip.
Virtual coin flip.
Call me now.
Yo, call me now for the virtual coin flip. Yo, the shot is as a pure blood Jamaican.
I'm not. I am what they call on Twitter nigger fishing. I'm actually a white person. I've tanned very darkly, and I am pretending to be black. I am not Jamaican. I went to Jamaica once. I fell in love with the island. My real name is Robert White.
My name is Robert Hellmans.
Okay. That's my new dirty hotel login name.
Rob Hellman.
I'm like, Rob Hellman. Can I get 4 hours? You guys don't have bed bugs, right? Okay.
Okay, good.
Here, use the Discover card model so my wife doesn't find out.
Oh, you don't take Discover card? Fuck.
They're like, where'd you park? I was like, don't worry about that. I just need a room.
I just need a room ASAP.
I need a room far away from like any windows. It's just like, you come back and like, where's the ice machine and where's the nearest garbage? They're like, Robert Hillman. This is like, call the cops like, Robert Hillman.
Boop. Niggas press a button under the table like, boop. Like, weirdo alert.
They turn on the camera in your room. I'm just standing there chain smoking over the toilet but looking directly in the mirror like,
what did I do?
All right.
Okay, just
Be normal, Robert.
Just be normal.
Be normal, Robert.
Like that episode of Black Mirror where Shorty, the nigga was just like, yo, oh shit, spoiler alert. But if you haven't watched that, man, you way behind.
It's not even spoilers anymore.
Yeah.
But if you haven't watched Black Mirror right now, you've chosen not to watch Black Mirror.
Yeah, so we're not spoiling shit.
So you know what? We didn't spoil anything. We should spoil at least one thing every episode. This is episode 134.
Yeah.
We've never spoiled anything before.
Spoil boys.
But here's Spoil Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Spoil Boys.
Spoiler boys.
Here's a spoiler for you. Dudley gets molested in different strokes.
Boom. There you go.
Damn. That's what happens.
That's it.
The guy from the bike store touched him.
Yeah, two bad minds.
If I'm spilling drinks, you know what that means. It's been episode 134.
That's right, motherfucker.
People's like, Jesus, where's our AKs? You get your fucking AKs right now.
Right now, take him and enjoy him.
Yeah,
You
enjoy
garbage
me.
bags.
Yeah, look at me. Open your mouth. Yeah. Like that I was eating Chipotle earlier.
Yeah.
Yo, it's Jesus nice. AKA Young Chipotle. AKA Pocket Stay Fat like Tyrio.
Yeah.
Or the alternative is if you
Hey,
turn
the
your
Kids
channel
Bop.
to SAP,
Yeah.
Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go. Yay. Hooray. I got moms calling on my mobile phone while I'm studying for a test.
Hey, I am.
Our new Kids Bop show, Mo Homework.
Yeah, more.
Chris Daspro Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Buchos Gully.
Yes, right.
Sober that might know you, bitch. Young Day
Right.
Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo, Mil Novas at the Nevento Cuatro in New York, Mikkel going off the Juve Boss, MC Lukunga P, putting up for 40 or who you shorty, Splash. Call me Clay Thompson when I take your bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if we're gonna be honestly, I'm
Set
not taking your
records.
bitch. I'm actually I am going to use her for the night and return her to you. I would actually not refer to her as a bitch because that is referred to as a female dog, and
that's
she's actually a
disrespectful.
female. And I just
I
like to get
respect
this
her
extra,
agency, and we do not do misogyny on this.
Buy my
program.
ugly sneakers from China. The Juve Boss, MC Lupi, putting up for 40 with your shorty. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you, nigga.
I don't know you. The Uber pool for transportation is not for friendship nor discussion.
No.
And some of y'all like, yo, I got my job from the back of the Uber pool.
Good,
And to that I say, your
Will
job
Smith
was not
don't
that
got a cuss on
good.
his records, but I do. So fuck him
All
and
right.
fuck you too.
Your job was not that good. If they could find a possible candidate from your job in the back of the Uber pool,
Nah.
you are replaceable.
Nah, you're
Replaceable! As I do my best Alicia Keys
Yeah.
accent.
That
in
guy
just
right
the
now-
H flat range that she sings in.
that guy right now that you met in the Uber pool that said that is right now flipping each nugget on
Yeah.
the tray at McDonald's.
Wow.
Yeah. Sorry.
Wow, you just have no respect for fast food workers?
I do.
No,
But,
why would you
but-
why would you try to denigrate that as like not a necessary position?
I mean,
Do you know how many nuggets you get for $5 at Burger King now? You get 20.
yeah.
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 Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Because you know what? You piece of shit, you grew up getting 4 for $5. So pay some respect for our chicken nugget technologists out here. One time, big up the McNuggies.
Yo.
Big up the McNuggets, guys.
As a dad of the year, I got to co-sign that.
The original got +1, got +1, so don't make a fuss. So these is Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Miles off all my juice. Jermaine avocado toast.
Yo.
What's up with avocado toast? Makes no sense. Avocados are not that expensive.
doesn't.
Toast are not expensive.
Doesn't. And yo.
You add the two, now you're paying like $27. What's going
And
on
yo,
with that?
why can't I substitute the bread?
What kind of bread you want?
why?
Like you just want
Like sourdough. Give me some sourdough or some like.
in my Jamaican fusion restaurant, we're gonna have hardo bread smeared with roti and avocado toast. Great shit. Goes Young Pa, that goes Mufasa, Young Chuckanui, aka Chili Mo, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Gay. Located. Big Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Humor Dr. Bottles label, dilute. Deanna DeShapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Which means I enjoy scenes that are not in HD. So if you catch me in my living room listening to Georgia Peace saying the N-word through my Sonos
with
system.
a hard R.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I'm just reliving my youth.
Don't kink shame.
Don't kink shame. Okay, porn is
saying?
the shit you don't want people to know.
Yeah.
I'm DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. Up next.
Oh my God. What do we
All right,
got
let's see how we
here?
do this here.
This guy's always got the deep cuts
Listen.
that you forgot about.
You guys
but
remember this one?
remember.
A little group called
In your eyes, I see everything on your mind.
Listen, we gotta get to it right there.
Hit him. Side. Right beside you.
All for one.
Yes, that's right.
I
Yes.
swear.
Yeah.
How many of y'all been to a wedding of an ugly couple when that was their song?
And that was it. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the official ugly couple wedding song. Yeah.
You know what? You love them. They invited you.
Yeah.
You brought your girl. You was like,
Yeah.
is Sheila from my job? And we're just happy she got married.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Or like, there's like a hot chick and she's like marrying the wild dub. And you're like, she could do so much better, but he treats her well.
We choose her really well.
Yeah. And listen, he has a good job. He
It's a
paid
great
for
job,
it. It's
yeah.
an open bar.
Yeah.
Look,
They have an ice luge.
there's a chocolate fountain.
They have a shot luge, bro.
I just hope they're happy.
Yeah.
That's not, he got those teeth for this occasion.
The cocktail hour is 2 hours. Have you ever seen some shit like that?
I mean, why is, and then the whole time you're just like, why are his veneers so big?
They got the nori veneers.
Like, I'm so happy. I love her. You've made me so happy. The curry goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hasbro, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain.
No.
Catch me in the container store and like folding myself in like,
Yo,
doesn't
they
work.
shit.
They're like, Desus, for the last fucking time, if you don't get out the container store, they get like a bat from another thing to chase me out. I'll be back in your closets next time. The human mimic, where's the job?
Yeah.
Young Aaron, the racist provocateur.
Yeah.
If you see someone having a discussion, I pop up like the Domino's Noid.
By the
and
way,
I throw down the race card like, ha ha! Get him, Jamel Hill. Ah. This is why Kaepernick doesn't stand. Ah!
you mad?
Gonna turn America into Venezuela and all the white people's gonna eat out the garbage. Ah! Catch me in the caravan. Notice how we have not mentioned the caravan anymore after the election?
Yeah.
Before it was like, yo, the caravan is coming to kill your family, rape your kids. Yo, the caravan is gonna illegally download your music.
Now it's no caravan. As a matter of fact, I think Dodge should sue Trumpito for
he fucked up the
invoking
Dodge
fucked the
Caravan.
Dodge Caravan sales.
I've never gotten a Dodge Caravan as an Uber.
Me neither.
Yeah, it's not
And
an
if
Uber
I
car.
did, I feel like they would kill me.
Yeah.
Especially depending on like the dirt level inside the car, or
That's
if there's
someone
like a
trying to
tarp
kidnap
on the
you.
floor. Yeah,
That's someone kidnapping you.
yeah, for sure.
You know what it is. Henrik Bloodcross, Nelson Mandela, Sergio, can't see me. Vladimir Bufin, the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decatur, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yo.
The juice is the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it.
Yo.
The Dundada Ganoush. Woo.
Woo! No more cup
Hey,
of noodles.
listen, I dropped the thing.
It's the iPad.
It's an iPad.
iPad Pro
Put this
with the
back on the thing.
motherfucking keyboard.
Oh,
iPad Pro with the motherfucking keyboard. Thing.
The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, pardon that gas.
Yeah.
Got that gas. though.
Gas in it.
The Fashion Over Cash on William. He says $10. Get the small change. Give me.
What you want? What you want? What you need? That's all right.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one top left, man. Just Marv.
Don't cheese me, bro.
What's up, Marv? Come all the way to Brompton. You better open it up for me.
Yo, busted wide.
You know what I mean? I'm a waste man.
Yo.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. We did that already. But stop all I do is count checks and jerk off. I got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and
What's that back?
hey guys, it's me.
Hey, who's that?
It's me, Sunny D.
Hey.
Hey, this Chinese food been in here for a week.
Are you really orange juice?
I am behind the orange juice. I said, it's me, Sunny D. Throw this fucking Chinese food out. What the fuck?
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
Okay.
And why would you just put a piece of cheese in here not wrapped up properly? Your mother taught you that?
I'm sorry. I
Where you cheated it?
I don't have enough.
Did you practice that shot?
I don't.
David Yurman, Jesus Spencer, Jesus Red Bottom, Jesus Bloody Shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down behind me, Charger.
Sit paneer, wine paneer.
Call me Petco because I got to go bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and psyosip. Yeah, I'm dating a black girl, so I gotta get off in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Don't judge me for it.
Don't judge me. Jamaica
I think she
Junction.
is in. She lives over by Guy Pure.
Hey, guy, bro.
You know,
Yeah, it's a
it'll
guy
be
bro.
over there.
Yeah.
You know,
Nobody told me about it.
That's where Fitty be selling.
Yeah.
It's nothing. AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
You know what I'm
If
saying?
you see me steal an everlasting gobstopper to sell to somebody, realize I was going through things I wasn't in my right mind. I'm sorry,
sorry.
Mr. Wonka. I apologize. Shopping at Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. If you didn't read the book, don't get it. If shopping at Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic, Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina, with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, AKA the sheet mask killer. Ella. No one called me Ella.
Motherfucker.
Once we get the Sephora contract.
Yeah.
I'm gonna blame my shit to the front, killer bees on the tag. AKA your problematic bae. Put some sugar in their tank. They'll think it's a whimsical guest, and they won't take you on Judge Judy because it's hilarious.
It's funny. He's doing jokes. He's a funny
Up next,
comedian.
there are 3 great Dominicans: Babe Ruth,
That's right.
Bluto, and who? The
Your
Kid
boy.
Mero.
That's right. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Humor Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a.
Dabba 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 doo.
Chris Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Load to Jump the Curb, hit the fucking dog, keep it moving, ask me if I give a fuck. Call Peter, they sue. Yo, I ain't no fucking baby, I fucking man. Oh my God, get me off this helicopter. Oh my God. A.k.a. no need to check the motherfucking guesses. I am guesses. I just won an Oscar for Best Dominican Movie Award.
Oh, wow.
Fuck you mean it's not a category. This is a category. I got the award right here.
Sir.
I got an award right here. I'm going in. Stop.
Sir, what are you doing, sir?
Stop. No, don't tase me. That's a taser? AKA, Sissy Dab back there, AKA getting to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Gomez.
Dab, dab, dab.
Hit the dab. AKA, I got all the little Meros watching Jackson 5 footage. Y'all gonna get this fucking super group whether y'all like it or not, because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. AKA, Big Smack Beyond Boy. AKA, the Yayo Merodana. AKA, digging your baby on talking about this pussy don't belong to you. This pussy belong to me. Okay.
Actually, pussy does not belong to you. It belongs to the owner of said pussy. Respect this agency.
Okay, I since I have been reading books and learning, I am becoming more woke.
Yes.
And I believe that this is true.
Yes.
You have opened my eyes.
Also-
Bodega Boys.
Also, if you were woke, you would be doing that voice.
I would not.
Poof, disappear. I can't wait. They're going to be like, yeah, problematic host Bodega Boys. They'll be like, yeah, what about dick in their bait? I'm like, no. We got to go. You talking about cooking oil? We got to go. Use Square Cash, not Venmo.
Square Cash. AKA David Trilsville. Pow, pow. Take that for data, motherfucker. AKA
My hard drive. What were you doing? He
I don't care.
He just put 5 shots in my Read 5 server.
Hold that terabyte.
Nobody take my...
I don't even know what that. I don't care.
Get him out of the
It's Young
Ontac
Trisdale.
Studios.
It's Young Trisdale. Peep the frames.
He has a big magnet.
They
Get him out of
solid.
here.
Yeah,
Get him out of here.
I took this magnet out of speaker.
My
I was gonna fuck your whole shit up.
My iOmega Super Drive.
Okay, Barlow Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
That zip car had my backups. I'm having the worst day ever.
Oh my God.
Nervous Stanley, keeper of the backups.
Oh my God.
I wish I never heard of the Bodega Boys.
Oh, they're ruining my life. AKA the Dominican Dundana Dykeman Daddy. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am. I got a show on Showtime. So like, what's the name of it? We don't have a name yet. So like, when it's on,
The name of our show is called DK Stupid. You got a show? You got a show?
Yeah.
No. All right. So it's not that easy to come up with shows. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, scan the shit and keep it moving. Fuck out of here. Respect my fucking authority, B. You know what I'm saying? AK, Romeo Santos, so Zanny. Let me black out. I'll kiss the biggest girl in the crowd right on the bulk out, my nigga. I don't care. I deadass don't care.
Wow.
Yo, I'll kiss your mom in front of your pops. I'll put, step up, square up. I'll put my Chelsea boot right up your fucking ass. You know why? Because I'm your fucking favorito, mommy.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? AK, Lionel Dutchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your palm ass eyes.
Whoa.
That your broke ass ain't got 5.
He ain't got 5, man.
You know what I'm saying? And I don't
If you
even
had the
know
Cash App on you, you could.
you could have just cashed out me 5. You could have cashed out me 10. And then, you know what I'm saying? It would have been pending, but I would have accepted that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Also, shout out to you
pending
for
transaction.
ruining that song forever because I was in the back of the Uber and Lionel Richie sung it and I was like, hello? Is it me? Is it Trees? I was like, that's not how it goes.
That's not how it goes.
Uber driver, change the channel.
Nicole Richie's like, yeah, this shit slaps. AKA Tom Brady, girl got my balls deflated. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man, especially the Milky Way of discharge. You know what I'm saying? It hasn't been discovered yet, but I'm fit to discover it.
Oh my God, he got discharged on my hard drives.
Oh my God.
This is literally the worst thing ever.
Susan, what is going on?
It's the
Are you
Bodega
following
Boys.
us?
The Bodega Boys are just getting, they're ruining our backups.
Susan Schwitzen over here. Somebody come get Susan. Call
When am I
Susan's
going to tase
assistant.
David Trisdale?
Call her assistant.
Oh.
She's out of here. She's
Oh
wilding.
my God. Is that Roger Clemens in the Steinbrenner's box?
AKA fried up Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA he's in a bit of you. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying?
Come to Mama Sushi's New Jersey location, conveniently located off of Route 4.
Yes.
If you hit the Palisades Mall, you've gone too far. Route 4, exit 13, right by the IKEA.
Right there.
Come to Mama Sushi's Elizabeth.
That's right.
We have hookah, and you can assemble your IKEA furniture.
That's right. P.O. will be flipping coals.
P.O. just like giving out mad IKEA meatballs. Take that, my nigga. Move,
Yo,
move,
my
move.
nigga.
My nigga,
Hey,
my nigga,
shut
my
up,
nigga.
shut up, shut up.
Take your
Shut
your
up.
meatballs.
She got 4, you got 3. Shut up, my nigga, shut up. AKA Ben Barson, my hands are gifted. I'll replace your cranial mechanism with a motherboard from a Commodore 64 so you can feel the pain that those ancestors felt on the Oregon Trail. You know what I'm saying?
I can't even feel the pain.
That's right. Hardcore from the brain. Go inside my astral plane.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying? Based off instrumental. Can't get the strap. Told these niggas one time. AKA, open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who it is. It's the Benzo God. AKA, the Zen Man. AKA, if you need Benzo the Clown for your next child gathering, holler at your boy. I will fall asleep at the table and put my face in the cake.
Benzo the Clown is back,
He's here, y'all.
Do you have a wedding, an anniversary, or a communion?
Yeah. You book me for 4 hours. 3 of those will be a nap for
Listen,
me.
I'm Benzo the Clown. I'll
Yeah.
paint your clown. I'll paint your kid's face.
With fuck. Never mind.
Benzo the Clown is a registered sex offender. Does not understand what paint your kid's face means. Legally, he is not allowed to perform in Arizona, Arkansas, New York,
Hawaii.
Connecticut, Hawaii, New Mexico,
Hawaii.
Alaska,
Iowa.
international waters,
Texas.
Guam.
Guam. North Korea. South Korea. Hong Kong.
Hey, it's Benzo. I didn't read the fine print.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, I called my crotch a bounty house.
Yo,
Like, oh, shit.
Benzo the Clown live from Dubai.
Yo. Hi, it's Benzo one more time. I would just like to say those allegations of those kids getting K2 at the birthday party are wildly overblown.
They're baseless.
I'd also like to say I am
Unlike
free
me.
now, available at all last month. Benzo the Clown.
AKA Rico Sotoso, AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Come on, man. Of course I don't know who she is, man. Come on, man. Nah, she's lying, man. Come on. I don't have a gun license, Officer Prosciutto, man. Why would I have a gun in my vehicle, man? Come on now.
Whoa. Cookie said you keep the burner on you. Keep it tucked.
No, I those were that was the form of me, man. Come on now. You know, nowadays I cleaned up my act. I do a soap opera for black people.
Listen, you
at
keep it
Channel
clean, all
5,
right?
You know what
If
I'm
I gotta
saying?
come back to your house, you're throwing gay kids in the trash. I swear, it's gonna be hell for you.
I have grown. So from listening to the Bodega Boys, I have become more woke, and I will never again, man, will I throw a homosexual child in the garbage.
Okay.
I promise you that.
You keep your act clean, and I swear to God, if
All
I see
right.
you reading a
Okay.
script called Hustle and Flow 2, I chew in your dome.
Okay, listen, it is hard.
Have a good night.
All right, okay, I was going to say it's hard.
Have a good night. Drive off.
All right, okay, I apologize, man. Okay, thank you, man. I apologize, thank you. AKA Baby Newport niggas, 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down, you know what I'm saying?
Shut it down.
And it's Thanksgiving time, so I'm handing out turkeys and patties and holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? AKA live from the Sally Beauty Supply, trying to use an expired coupon on texturizer. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is Fucking and Dope Sick Love, Come Back to Me. You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, man. There's no more rock stars, mate. There's only 2 left in this planet, in this universe, if I may say so myself. And it's the Bodega Boys, Desus Nice and the Kid Mero. I am the Kid Mero, the Plantain Supernova. That's right. The Plantain Supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a 60 bag of yay in my gel wallet.
They gotta show you like strumming on a guitar,
you
and
know
your
what I'm
notes turn to weed, and they fall over. Like, do you remember the "What You Won't Do for Love" video with Tupac, and they had the animation, and the weed comes over little kids, and like they're signing "I love you." It's beautiful, man.
Niggas need that. AKA, I met Mike Francesa, man. We never gonna fail.
Never gonna feel.
Never.
And we don't got time for the dumb
We
stuff.
don't got time for the dumb stuff.
So miss
if
me
you
with
could,
it.
Come at the Pope, come at the best. You know what I'm saying? You best not miss. You know what I'm saying? Like my man said yesterday. I tell y'all niggas, man.
Pew pew.
You know what I mean? Keep it correct when you step to the Pope. You know what I'm saying? AKA, pull it up front 3 with a pint of that lean. It's your boy, Barmelo's Anthony.
Carmelo.
For 3.
Bang.
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 Okay.
All right. It's not as dramatic as it used to
It
be.
used to be more
Dramatic
Still love you,
Blue.
Mello.
Still love you.
Love the hats.
Yeah, love the hats. I mean, sneakers.
Yeah, we back with it.
Chuck
If he
it-
sent us 2 pairs for free, we'd be like, all right.
Yeah, okay. Well, I guess
Actually, we're not actually that easily influenced anymore.
yeah,
so.
yeah.
But shout out to you, Mello.
But shout out to you.
Mello, come on the show.
Come on the show. Come hang out with us.
Come hang
You know
out.
what I'm
Come
saying?
to the milk room.
You're a real dude. You know what I'm saying? Come hang out.
Milk, mellow, milk,
Mellow,
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 milk,
mellow,
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 Oh,
mellow,
my
mellow,
D-
oh,
milk,
oh, oh.
mellow, milk, for three, bang!
A-Track is like, that was a great set, eh?
Hey. Give it up for Jesus. Give it up for DJ Jesus, but I spell it D3SU5. Yeah, y'all get shit.
Lead,
Yeah.
bro.
That's right. I DJ with like one of those orthodontic retainers. It's my thing.
Yo, if you see me at Target, if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than Sammy after a fight with Ronnie, you know what I'm saying? Bagging up all the half-off Halloween candy, approach me like a motherfucker Ursine Mammal nigga, you know what I'm saying? I may react erratically, you know what I'm saying? Woo. AKA, I sold fakely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper, he's high off Vicks Vapor Up, or Biba Poru, as it is known in the Dominican community. And some Flat Sprite remix I found like in an old cooler in my garage.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I don't know. I just threw it together and gave it to him. He wanted something. AKA, Hasan insane, coño, tírame la fucking pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el malocoto. Estamos burlados y con Palomo no hago coro. Así que rueda como 4 gomas. Guaremate el diablo. El teléfono me sigue llamando. Excúsame porque me estoy buscando. Bajando con mi cadena. Excuse me. Estoy bajando con más cadena que 5 bicicletas, mamagüevo. Así que ponte claro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Vete a pelar. Papa, pariguayazo, que para eso que tú sirves, ¿ok? Yo soy la verdadera grasa, lo que mueve el movimiento. ¡Qué burla! Mámame el huevo por detrás. Ya tú sabes lo que es. Fuck. Lost me from Friday, motherfuckers lit.
You know what it is?
You know what I'm saying? Bodega Boys, Nuclear.
Episode 134. Yo, shout out to everyone that came out to the live show.
You know what I'm
11 you
saying?
listeners
Shout, you know
after
what
the
I'm saying?
fact.
Shout to Cash App, shout to motherfucking everybody. You know what I'm saying? Word,
Boom.
nigga.
We love you. We out.
Holla.
Boom.